So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix your TikTok app if for some reason the watch history is not updating. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons, right? Maybe you try going through and you try to, watch old TikToks that you found before. Now, number one, if this is happening to you, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and try restarting your Instagram application or your TikTok app. So go ahead, hop out of TikTok and just close out of it, give it a few moments, open it back up, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. For a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly the first step I'd recommend kind of doing here. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing some people recommend doing is to actually kind of reset or refresh your activity center. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your profile icon that's in the bottom right corner. So tap into your bottom right corner right over here. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the top right corner from up here, and you want to get into your activity center. So hop inside of your activity center right over here. And then what you're going to want to do is once you're here, you want to go ahead and go into your activity center. So once you're here, you want to go into watch history. So go into watch history right up here. And then if it looks empty or outdated, you want to tap on the search icon. If there's a search icon somewhere, especially if you have a lot of searches, you might want to go through and try searching and then going at the top right screen and typing a single period. Sometimes that can kind of sometimes fix it. So if you can't do it here, you can also try doing it in the standard search page right over on the main page of TikTok. That could be another thing. If that's still not working, you can try updating your TikTok app. So go right into TikTok right over here or in your app store like this. Open up the TikTok app, update it if you can, and that will also help fix this problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.